Welcome to the Micro Focus Identity and Access Management video series. Hi, I'm Kent Purdy, Product Marketing Manager for Access Management.
I'm Kevin Pryor. I'm an Access Engineer on the sales side.
So Kevin, in this demo we're going to show off two-factor authentication with ESSO. First of all, let's describe what do we mean when we say ESSO or Enterprise Single Sign-On.
Sure, so basically when people log into their desktop, they want to be able to log into applications and have it automatically log them in. One example is that when you log in, if you're using your network credentials, and that's what I'm going to show here. So in this case here, I've got on my desktop a shortcut, and when I double click and open that, what you'll see here is that it's actually going to go to Outlook. It automatically submitted my username and password and logged me into the application. That's Enterprise SSO.
And so you could add as many enterprise applications or applications from the desktop as you need. And they don't have to be native desktop apps. They could be web apps from the desktop as well, right?
That is correct, as well as emulators. Another common application is PuTTY that people use that we support as well.
Yep. Okay. So now that we've added this Outlook for a single sign-on, let's add a 2FA to it as well.
Sure. So what we'll do here is we'll simply go ahead and open this up. We'll select our Outlook web app. We'll go to our definition, to the logon here, and there's this option here for reauthentication. You'll notice now at this point here it's not checked. So what I'll do is I'll simply go ahead and I'll check that, and we'll use it for smartphone.
And you could check a number of different methods if we had them set up.
Correct. If they were all set up, in this case here, we're just going to use a smartphone on this one. And then we'll simply say OK and OK. Right? Now we'll go back and we'll launch the same application. Right? And if you notice here, right, it's popped up here and it's asking us for the two-factor authentication. You'll also notice on my phone, I have that notification. So if I go ahead and unlock my phone, accept this, now I have the Enterprise SSO using multi-factor.
Yeah, so one thing I did notice in the UI is that you could set up as many applications as you wanted to be part of your single sign-on environment, and you can choose which ones, if any, need to have 2FA to get into them.
That is correct.
It's very cool. So we have a lot more information on Enterprise Single Sign-On on our website. If you're interested, please check that out. And also, take a look at our other videos in the same series.